day, my friends. Welcome back for another video. If you are new, I want to welcome you to my channel. Today, I'm going to make these boots. Let's start. Round number 1, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then second chain from hook, 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 2 stitches. One, two, and then in this stitch, we'll make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the next stitch, we make 1 single crochet. And then in this stitch, the final stitch, we'll make 3 single crochet. One, two, 3. Total stitch count for round number 1 is 10. Round number 2, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. One, two, three, 4. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 3 stitches. One, two, and 3. And then we end the round. This is the heel when we just now we end the round. This is the toe. This is the wrong side, and this is the right. This is the right side. So the wrong side facing up, and the toe pointing towards me. So we for round number 3, we start to crochet from here. We make slip stitch around, and total stitch count is 18. Then end the round. Round number 4, wrong side facing up, the toe pointing away from me. We work on back loop only. We start from here. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for round number 4 is 18. Sorry. I will continue to crochet off camera, so we will meet again when I reach the end here. I have reached the end, and now we proceed to round number 5. 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. Mark the first stitch. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, and then we make 4 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch for 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total stitch count for round number 5 is 14. Round number 6, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. Mark the first stitch. 2, 3, and then 3 decrease, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 5 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total stitch count for round number 6 is 11. Round number 7, 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. Mark the first stitch, two, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total stitch count for round number 7 is 12. Round number 8 and round number 8 to round number 9, 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for each round is 12. For round number 9, I will crochet off camera, so we will meet again at the end of round number 9. I'm at the end of round number 9. Slip stitch to end the round. Okay, this is the boots, and we need to make 2 of these. Let's put this onto the door. That's all for my tutorial. I hope you will like it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.